वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ कहते हैं ये आलमी अमन के लिए अहम मौका है। हम सब आलमी अमन के लिए यहाँ जमा हुए हैं। सदर ट्रंप की मुदब्बिराना क़यादत में अमन मुज़ाकरात मुमकिन हुए। हम मिलकर दुनिया में इत्तेहाद कायम कर सकते हैं। फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर का अमन मुज़ाकरात में अहम किरदार है। उनका मज़ीद कहना था, उम्मीद है हमारी गुफ्तगू के बहुत मुस्बत नताइज सामने आएंगे। हम यहाँ से वापस जाएंगे तो हमारे हाथों में शानदार दस्तावेज़ात होंगी।
where crisis really created humongous challenges, but this will have global peace. And I must, at this point in time, with fullest sincerity at my domain, thank President Donald Trump for his visionary and very dynamic leadership, which has resulted in this meeting here today, beautiful city of Bergenstock, and I think here we are going to have wonderful discussions which will lead to hopefully very productive results in times to come. I'd like to thank Vice President Sharif for his very able leadership in leading the United States team, and my very dear brother, Prime Minister of Qatar. He's like a very dear and dear brother. And of course, Field Marshal Sharif Munir, his outstanding role, very consistent, and he showed huge amount of perseverance and patience. And I think together, all these efforts have culminated here in this wonderful Bergen, and it's really very wonderful to be here. And hopefully, when we go back to our homes, we'll have some wonderful paper in our hand which will promote peace, progress and prosperity around the globe.